Your device is locked for 2 years for educational purpose and will be unlocked after that for personal use. It is mandatory to connect to your Wi-Fi. You need to connect your device to your institute Wi-Fi or your personal hotspot. Connecting to Wi-Fi is as follows. Enter the password. Now your device is connected. Keep in mind that your attendance is only logged when you are connected to your institute's Wi-Fi. Your student ID and password for CPS log and CPS will be sent via email. So kindly check your email before starting this next step. CPS icon. Enter your student ID and password that you've received on your email. Click on next button. Once you're logged in, you can see your details of your course, your semester, and your division. Click on next button. Once you click on any of the book, you can see the chapters that are there in that book. Now you click on the tick icon to download the book. Now you can see that book is downloaded. You can traverse the book by the features. You can add bookmarks. Once you have downloaded the chapter of the particular book, the book icon, open book icon can be seen. Similarly, you can download all these other chapters and then view it offline. Next section is previous year's exam papers. You can download those in the similar way. Click on it and click on download button. Once the question paper is downloaded, you can view it offline as well. The next feature is statistics, in which you can see a chart that tells the course that you have covered of a particular book and the total time that you have spent on reading that book. Click on CPS log. The user ID password for CPS log is same as the one in CPS button. Once you're logged in, you can see your logbook. Click on download. Now you can see the logbook that is downloaded. You can again view this logbook when you're offline. Click on the pen icon with which you can write on the logbook. Click on the brush icon using which you can increase the thickness of your pen. Now you can start writing. Click on the tick button to save the changes. If in case you want to erase something, again click on the pen icon. You have the erase option. Click on that erase icon. You can erase whatever you have written. You can again increase the thickness for the same. Click on back button to go back to the main page. Click on CPS lecture. The username and password for CPS lecture will be sent via email. Please note that CPS lecture credentials are different than the CPS log and CPS application. CPS lecture is your online portal for e-learning in which you can view all your lectures.